Hi everybody, and I hope you enjoyed all the fantastic footage from Virgin Galactic's very first historic spaceflight back in December. Our spaceship Unity is looking really good after a historic flight, and the teams now are in the final stages of the work required to get her airborne again. And heading back to the black skies of space, what could be more exciting?
I'm David Mackay, I'm Virgin Galactic's Chief Pilot. We are getting ready for our 5th powered flight, which is our first flight since our first successful space flight on the 13th of December last year. For this flight we expect fantastic views from apogee. We'll have several minutes of weightlessness to enjoy before we come back down. On the way back down in the feather configuration, we'll be looking at how it handles in the feather, how easy it is to control in the feather. So everyone in the company is really excited about the flight and is looking forward to bringing Unity safely home from another successful test flight.